Finding a good wireless microphone that gives you clean, reliable audio without spending too much money is not always easy. The FIFINE M9 might actually be one of the good budget options right now. Now, I won't lie to you, it's not the very best lavalier microphone system out there, but for the price and for what it offers, it performs way better than recording without an external microphone. FIFINE sent this unit over for review, no money was exchanged, and they have no creative influence on this video. So as always, I'll be sharing my honest opinion. I actually like the M9, but there are two things I wish FIFINE did better. One is minor, not really a big deal, but the other is something you should definitely know about before buying. For about $66, that's roughly 89,000 naira, you're getting a well-packaged wireless microphone system. The carrying case is actually pretty solid. It protects everything well, and it's compact enough to travel with. Inside, you get all the necessary adapters to connect to your camera, laptop, or your smartphone. You also get two windshields or dead cats, depending on what you like to call them. One thing though, there is no adapter for older iPhones, so you will need to get that separately. Now, inside the charging case, you get two transmitters and a receiver, all neatly arranged for convenience. Good for podcasting or interviews if you're into that kind of content. The M9 keeps things simple but functional. The transmitters are lightweight, easy to clip onto your shirt, and they don't feel cheap either. The receiver connects directly to your phone or laptop through USB-C, completely plug and play. You also get a mute button and clear LED indicators, which are small details that makes big difference when recording. The battery life on this thing is pretty decent, about 6 hours on a single charge and up to 30 hours with the charging case. Like, you can literally go a whole month with this microphone after having a full 100% charge, which is very impressive. Now, remember I said there are two things FIFINE could have done better with this microphone. The first one is the receiver designed for smartphones. It just dangles when connected, which isn't the most practical setup. Perhaps a compact dongle style receiver would have been much better. And the second is the noise cancellation feature. Honestly, it is not that great. It affects audio quality, so I recommend turning it off completely. Honestly, it is not great. It affects audio quality, so I'd recommend turning it off completely. Alright, so this session is the actual sound or audio quality of the FIFINE M9 wireless microphone, as well as the one you've been hearing from the beginning of this video, directly from this microphone on my Canon R50 over there. You might notice a bit of echo. That's actually from the room, not the mic itself. This new setup is still empty, so sound bounces around. Now, the mic itself sounds clear and captures vocals well, but since there is no app to fine-tune the audio, you'll get the best result recording in a treated space. Okay, so this is the outdoor mic test of the FIFINE M9 wireless microphone. The time right now is 25 minutes past 10 in the morning, and people are already out to take care of their business. What do you guys think about the audio quality? I also have my windshield because it's kind of windy, so yeah, it's necessary to have this on whenever you want to shoot outdoor. But what do you guys think about the audio quality coming up from this budget wireless microphone outdoor? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. So I'm going to turn on the noise cancellation feature so you guys can also get to know what it sounds like outdoor should you want to shoot your content outdoor using noise cancellation feature as well. But I'll say it's not the best. On the scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it 4. But come on, it's just a budget wireless microphone, so we shouldn't expect it to have all the best features for its price. So what do you guys think about the noise cancellation feature? Let me know also in the comment section. Like I said, it's not the best, and if I'm to shoot with this microphone, I wouldn't want to use the noise cancellation feature. For my content, I do mostly indoors, so yeah, without the noise cancellation feature is good. But let me still know what you think if it is doable for you. After using the FIFINE M9 for a while now, I would say it's a solid option for the price. If you're a content creator on the budget and you want a better audio setup without spending too much, this is definitely worth considering. It works across multiple devices, it's easy to use, and for its price range, the sound is honestly impressive. I'll leave a link in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Now, thanks again to FIFINE for sending this unit over. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.